Ultimately, whether it be condoning my studying, or my drinking, or my dancing, or my stripping, you guys are all a part of it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Put your shirt off.
Alrighty, we have just boarded the plane. Well, not just boarded, we're about to take off now. Short trip to San Francisco and then Minnesota. We've got our bags ready and we're ready to go. Going there for my brother's graduation. He's receiving his doctorate. To be continued. Hopefully you can hear this because the engine's just started.
The tank will be on the ground shortly.
Alrighty, so we've made it to San Francisco. Next up, Minnesota. The bird poop. Well, hello there. We have made it to Minnesota. We are here for, again, we are here for this guy's graduation. He is going to be receiving his doctorate. Heaven help us. Quick, crown nurse screen check. Okay, you guys all passed. Cool. I don't even know what that is. We landed 10 minutes early. However, there was a broken down airplane on the runway and there wasn't enough ground crew to take care of it, so we had to wait about an hour for that to be taken care of. Then we go to deplane, and the tunnel going from the actual terminal to the plane was inoperable, so then that took another hour. Long story long, we landed 10 minutes early. However, we got off the plane 2 hours later. We're gonna cause a ruckus because that's generally what happens when we come out to visit this guy.
Said you wanted more. What were you waiting for?
I will not let you trip trap hip hop on my Mongolian premise. How dare you disrespect the time?
So we're sitting here, we're talking about relationships and being faithful. My whole thing, my approach to this is anybody can cheat. My brother, here's his philosophy, or here's what he has to say about it. If you're not cheating, you're not trying. Okay, I can kind of see where you're going with this. What are your thoughts?
I cannot see where you're going with this.
If you hit my liquor stove, it's 50 cents for single purpose. Said she wanna roll with me and smoke up on my weed. I said,
Yesterday was a little rough, and I say this because that's generally what happens when I hang out with my brother. Nonetheless, we are in Minnesota, so when in Rome,
We're going to Mall America.
we're going to Mall America, and she's going to get her Gucci belt.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
We have made it.
Made it to the Mall of America.
Mall of America.
We are hitting every single store. Because if you spend 1 minute in every single store, it'll take you over 8 hours. And that's our goal.
Alright, you guys, check this out here. Let Little Miss Fitzpo explain.
So I want to go to Carlos Bakery to get some goodies. So I'm going to click on Carlos Bakery. It's going to calculate my route right now. It's on this level, so we're good. We're right here, and it's gonna walk.
I have never seen this before in my life.
If we go in a wheelchair or a stroller, it's gonna take us 6 minutes. But if we walk with nothing, it'll be 4 minutes. We're gonna save ourselves 2 minutes.
Do you want to send that to your phone?
Yes.
Oh my yes.
don't know. I mean, I don't know if I'm out of line. So she's like, and he's like, yeah, well, you know, I'm kind of.
Whenever we entertain, my friends ask, "Are you good?"
Alrighty, so as with all of our travels, we always make our travels a bit of a foodie adventure.
Yes, we are huge foodies.
So now we're coming up on Black Coffee and Waffle Bar.
Boom. This is where the magic happens, apparently. We'll find out.
Maddie on the arm, Maddie.
Check this out. For her. Right now, we are currently prepping for this guy's graduation party. Well, look at this feast.
I don't know what any of it is, but it tastes really good. Here's where the dance floor is going to be. Should be splendid, and then we have a photo booth. This is going to be fun.
One, two, three, Dr. Jay-Z!